9 Best Natural Droopy Eyelids Remedies. You must try to get gorgeous look. Natural treatments and exercises for droopy eyelids. I think you will agree that lots of people are there who are facing droopy eyelids due to aging issue. Well, there are lots of solutions available that can treat droopy eyelids issues with ease. When you get older, there is a deformation occur in the muscle that is responsible to lift and lower the eyelids. If droopy eyelid is caused due to aging process, then it can be corrected with the help of natural remedies, exercises and more. So, you can now clear droopy eyes with some natural remedies that would be quite easy to apply at home. Here, in this video, you will get to know everything about droopy eyelids and what are the home remedies that can be applied to your eyelids for treating droopy eyelids. With such remedies, you can also get rid of some other eyelid issues like sagging eyelids, baggy eyelids and hooded eyelids as well. However, before you try eyelid surgery for droopy eyelids, you can wait for a few days and try the below-mentioned natural remedies for drooping eyelids, sagging and hooded eyelids. These remedies are very easy to use and they do not leave any side effect on your skin as well. With these natural treatments, you can know how to fix droopy eyelids without surgery in easy ways. What is the cause of drooping eyelids? The most common cause of drooping eyelids are aging of skin and skin elasticity around the eyes. In this case, the tissue loses the capability to hold back the weight of the eyelid skin. Other causes for drooping eyelids reported are as follows: smoking, fatigue, thyroid dysfunction, nerve problems, sun exposure, injury, oxidative stress. These are some of the major causes of drooping eyelids. However, whatever the reason might be, but if you have droopy eyelids issue, then don't worry, just try these natural remedies for drooping eyelids treatment. You just have to wait for some time to notice the results of these natural remedies. Natural remedies for drooping eyelids. Here, you will get some easy to apply natural home remedies and know how to fix droopy eyelids without surgery. These natural remedies for droopy eyelids are so easy and effective to apply that you will soon able to notice the positive results and will also able to know how to get rid of droopy eyelids naturally forever. Remedy number 1: cucumber. One can make use of cucumber for droopy eyelids. These are rich in caffeic acid as well as ascorbic acid. The benefit of using cucumber for droopy eyelids is that they help to tighten the eyelid skin and eyelid inflammation. One can also make the skin smooth and glowing with cucumber slices. How to apply cucumber for droopy eyelids? To make use of cucumber for droopy eyelid, you just have to take few slices of chilled cucumber and place it over your eyes and leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Remedy number 2: chamomile tea bags. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help you to cure droopy eyelids naturally. You can use chamomile tea bags and place them over your eyes to get rid of droopy eyelids naturally. How to apply chamomile tea bag for droopy eyelids? To use chamomile tea bags to treat droopy eyelids, you need to first of all cool the tea bags in the refrigerator. You need to then apply the tea bags to the eyelids for just 30 minutes. You can then retrieve the chilled chamomile tea bags and simply place on the closed eyes. You need to then relax for 25 minutes and take away the bags from the eyes. Remedy number 3: aloe vera gel. You can make a paste at your home to tighten and rejuvenate your eyes using aloe vera. Aloe vera gel used to contain some antioxidants that help to treat droopy eyelids or fix sagging eyelids. With aloe vera gel, you can also know how to tighten eyelids and also keep your eyelashes moisturized and hydrated. How to apply aloe vera gel for droopy eyelids? Take 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 4 spoons of plain yogurt, and few slices of cucumber and make a paste. Now apply the paste to your eyelids and leave them for 20 to 25 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Wait. There are a lot more remedies to apply. Have a look at them below. Remedy number 4: ice water or cubes. One of the easiest natural remedies you can apply to get rid of droopy eyelids naturally is to place ice cubes on your eyelids. You need to wash your eyes with ice-cold water, or you can make use of ice cubes and gently rub on your closed eyelid skin around the eyes. The ice cubes and very cold water is highly effective as it eases droopy or sagging eyelids skin, and with this you can also know how to tighten eyelids skin. Remedy number 5: Egg White Mask. One of the best ways to know how to fix droopy eyelids without surgery is to make use of egg whites. Egg whites used to contain collagen and biotin that are quite essential to keep up elasticity of the skin. Egg white is generally known for increases in the skin elasticity. It will help your skin to tighten and lift up the skin around the eyelids and decreases the droopy effect. How to apply egg white for droopy eyelids? When it comes to using egg whites for droopy eyelids, you need to make sure that your eyelids are cleaned and you have not applied any cosmetic product to your eyelids, and make your eyelids completely dry. This is the best option to try egg white for eyelid lift. Now you have to take a cotton swab and then soak in the egg white and let the cotton swab absorb the egg white. Now you have to apply the cotton swab to your closed eyelids gently and then let the egg white becomes dry out before you wash it off with cold water. You will soon notice that the droopy eyelid skin is lifted up and become tighter in less than just 3 days. Remedy number 6: Grapes. Eating grape is a good option as grapes have a high content of resveratrol that used to help prevent or slows down the cellular aging process. It is very effective for treating droopy eyelid condition. You must eat more grapes, or you can add grapes to your daily diet because the high content of resveratrol slows down the process of aging. Bonus remedies. Remedy number 7: Proper sleep. If you do not sleep properly, then it is obvious that your eye will look fatigued and stressed. Hence, it is recommended that you must sleep properly for at least 6 hours every night. If you sleep properly for 6 hours daily, then it will help you to avoid sagging or drooping of the eyelids. Remedy number 8: Olive oil. The antioxidants present in olive oil can help you in treating the issue of drooping eyelids quite well. It will help you a lot in rejuvenating the eyelids and also restore the skin's elasticity. Also, it will help you to prevent dryness in the eyelid skin and also keep the skin moisturized. How to apply olive oil for droopy eyelids? You need to heat some olive oil, and once you get this oil to lukewarm, you need to massage the eyelids with your fingers in a circular motion and then let it stay overnight to get better results. You need to wash your eyes with cold water. Remedy number 9: Homemade lotion. Homemade lotion. Sometimes not only prepared or a single ingredient can help you treat droopy eyelids issue, but also you need to prepare homemade lotion. To get rid of droopy eyelids naturally, you need to prepare homemade lotion to fix droopy eyelids. To know how you can prepare and apply homemade lotion for droopy eyelids treatment, you need to go through the below section. How to prepare and apply homemade lotion for droopy eyelids? Well, to prepare homemade lotion, you need to blend 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 5 slices of peeled cucumber and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal until you get thick and smooth paste. Now, after this, you just have to apply the paste on your eyelids and leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse your eyes with cold water. Thank you for watching the video. If you like such informative video about healthy and nature remedies, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.